Good morning. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Monday, the 26th of January, 2026. So we're starting here with the synoptic at midnight last night. This deep low pressure just south of Greenland is kind of dominating the weather in the northern Atlantic. We're right on the edge of that. There is high pressure to the north and some low pressures across Europe, which are kind of giving us a bit of a slack sort of wind area over the UK. However, there are a few occlusions lurking around which are going to affect the weather. If we move that on through midnight tonight into tomorrow, you can see that there's another low pressure formed out here, and that's going to be driving in warm fronts, tight isobars. So we're going to get strong gusty winds and a fair bit of weather associated with that tomorrow, I think. SatPic shows a fair bit of cloud cover coming our way, so I doubt we're going to see much in the way of sunshine today. Rain radar, excuse me, shows a bands of rain out to the west, out over Ireland, creeping into the sort of tip of Cornwall. And if we have a look at the rain forecast throughout the day, you can see that there's one or two things developing along the south coast, but that main band of rain coming in from the southwest is going to take its time, but will eventually be with us by certainly the hours of darkness. So we're talking about maybe 5:30, 6 o'clock tonight before anything gets really near us. And certainly by about 7, 8 o'clock, there's going to be some quite extensive rain, which is going to last throughout the night, I think. I don't think it's going to be cleared, and certainly until the early hours of the morning. Yeah, that's right through until gone breakfast time by the looks of it. So that could be a bit of an issue tomorrow as well. Odium TAF, quite extensive today. It's never very good when the TAF's this long. They're forecasting 070 degrees, 4 knots for the wind, 3.5 kilometers visibility and mist, broken at 800 feet for clouds, and then becoming between 7 and 9, visibility 5 kilometers in haze, and then temporarily between 7 and 10, broken at 500 feet, with a 40% chance that between 7 and 9, broken at 400 feet, and then becoming between 9 and 12, greater than 10k visibility with no significant weather. But there's a probability of 40% chance between 12 and 5 this afternoon, few at 1,000 feet, broken at 3,000 feet, temporarily between 5 and 6. We're looking at viz down to 6 kilometers and light rain, and a 30% chance at between 5 and 6, scattered at 500 feet. Excuse me. Farnborough, they're looking at 070, 3 knots, 6 kilometers visibility, broken at 800 feet, and then becoming between 7 and 10, greater than 10k visibility, scattered at 1,000 feet, with a 30% chance at between 7 and 11 this morning, visibility down to 4 kilometers in haze, and then becoming between 10 and 140 degrees, 10 knots, with a 30% chance at between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock this afternoon, viz down to 8 kilometers in light rain, broken at 1,000 feet. Spot winds to the north of us, 1,000 foot, 130.15, and to the south of us, 1,000 foot wind, 170.20. Wind is showing an easterly flow at 9 o'clock this morning across the airfield. And if we take that through to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's gone round more sort of southeasterly. The local Met Office forecast concurs with that, with east-southeasterly winds going around southeasterly and gradually increasing throughout the day from about 5 knots to start with through to about 9, maybe 10 knots by the end of the day. They don't see any precipitation here until about 7 o'clock this evening, which is fine, but bear in mind there will be a fair bit of cloud cover. Temperature-wise, GFS at lunchtime today are forecasting about 6 centigrades in the Lasham area, with the dew point down around about 3. Currently here at Lasham, we have 4 degrees centigrade with a dew point at about 2.5. So just a 1.5 degree split. You can see the haze and the low cloud there. This was at 10 to 8 this morning, with a very, very light sort of easterly wind. Sky sites are suggesting there's going to be a low cloud base right up until about lunchtime, gradually increasing into the early afternoon, and then deteriorating again towards the end of the day as that front approaches. Top BTO, looking at just cloud cover here from 9 o'clock this morning. It does show a bit of a break in the clouds, but it rapidly fills in again as that front approaches. So nothing too not worth writing home about today. No TAMs in the Lasham area, nothing to worry about for the flying that we're going to get today. So let's have a look at the local airfield briefing. And we shall start with Gladden bookings. There's a couple of K21s on the book flying. There's a K20 on the casual list with 3 students on the casual list. There is single seat availability. There's a K13 on trial lessons, but I think we're going to have to cancel them today. And the simulator is available as per usual. There is one movement today. We're expecting a 757 in around about 10 to 12 local time. And the general situation today is there's high pressure to the northeast and low pressure to the west. Low cloud base, light easterly winds veering to the southeast throughout the day. We will be on runway 09, winter ops, cables on the south side. Please be ready when the cable all tag arrives. And as per usual, do not land or taxi aircraft on the disused runways, which are shown in red, which is here and here. And here's the airfield setup. So launch point vehicle in the middle, area towing from the north side, winching from the south side with cables down the side of the runway on the boom. Be left-hand and right-hand circuits onto 09 grass, north and south. That's it from me today. And if we get flying, enjoy it, have lots of fun. Please keep it safe.